Can't believe it. The day has come. We finally got an RX7 in. That's not Ted's. So you're probably wondering, what are we doing with this, guys? We're taking off the bumper. We're taking off, like, you know, little trim pieces, things like that. We are wrapping it in a Inozetek. We're doing a cool color, a color we haven't done. This thing's so heavy. Why is it so fucking heavy? I can't lift this with one hand. Ugh. We're doing metallic Dandelion yellow. Ugh. Very excited to see what that's gonna look like. We've obviously done green on Ted's RX7. That turned out amazing. The RX7 is such a curvy car. Works with any color. But right now we're in the process of removing everything, getting the trim pieces taken off like these that are riveted on. That way we can wrap around it, make it look as clean as possible. We have a sample of the yellow out right here. This is really cool. You know what this looks like? It looks like Mercedes solar beam yellow that they had on the SLS way back when. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice. It's like, yeah, it's like a dandelion yellow. That's a pretty accurate color. It looks like freaking paint. This is insane.
So this car's gonna look like a Pokemon.
Wow, because it's Japanese and it's yellow.
This is an anime yellow.
Dude, you're so...
Ready? Hey, for the lawnmower.
That little band-aid. My big finger.
How'd you get the Band-Aid?
I put it on.
It's so cool to be able to breathe new life back into the RX-7. The paint condition wasn't very good when we got it, and repainting it wasn't an option, so Inozetek Dandelion Yellow was the way to go. It's a really nice color, like mentioned before, very similar to the AMG Solar Beam color they did back then, and you have what looks like gold metallic flakes to give it that darker look in some angles. RX-7s are really curvy cars, so bright colors tend to complement the body lines really easily. We also did a bit of a disassembly just to wrap underneath certain areas that would have benefited from having a cleaner look. Combined with the already black accents on the car, this is a killer color combo. Almost forgot, we also ceramic coated all of the yellow so it beads water, adds a little bit more gloss, looks really cool, and it just makes it a lot slicker of a surface too.